Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to turn on or off flight mode in Windows 10. So it's very easy and simple. In the right side corner, click on this box. So in here you will see the flight icon. So if you want to turn on, so just click on it. So it will highlighted, and now in your PC is the flight mode is on, and you will see here one icon. And if you want to turn off, so just again click on it. So flight mode will be off. So by this easy and simple setting, you can turn on or off flight mode in Windows 10. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.